Dear matriculants, as you may already be aware, there are various registered students associations in the Polytechnic. I must warn you, however, that membership of these associations is strictly voluntary. In case you desire to belong to any of the associations, I urge you to be cautious in order to make the right choice. Progressive associations promote peace, academic excellence, and the ensure and counseling units in the Directorate of Students Affairs, staff advisors, and your various heads of departments are ready and willing to assist you on a wide range of issues affect the Polytechnic. The Polytechnic administration will also employ the technique of mentoring to assist students in this landmark achievement in your lives. While I wish you each free and rewarding academic career and a happy stay in the Polytechnic, may the Almighty God continue to guide and protect you all. Thank you for your attention.